Hello, as promised, I'm going to show you how you can upsell your website skills by introducing AI bots. So these AI bots basically like just to automate some of the functions. For example, my bot here helps me sell the three services that I offer here. And also on the back end, it captures all the leads in a way that I can follow up with the actual clients. And yeah, and compared to like just filling out a boring form, in my experience, people prefer like interacting with a bot. So yeah, so let's see how it works. So my name, John Doe. Okay, and it actually remembers my name. So there's a name grab feature within the bot to grab that. Okay, so this what is there? So for example, who are you? So it just lets you know like I am its name. It's a virtual assistant created by me. Yeah. So let's see. Show me your services. Okay. So it shows that. So it shows an image and a small description at the bottom. So currently we have company websites, e-commerce websites, and an AI assistant. So they all have these two have a similar flow, but this one is a bit different because like it will try and find out like if you have a website, if you don't have one, like yeah, the database is different. But for this example, let's just do something simple, like just let's say somebody just wants a website. Okay, so shows you the price in dollars, then description, a standard 5 to 10 page website, and then informs you that the hosting and the domain is also included in the amount. And then the purchase of this comes with an AI powered bot for free. Okay, yeah, to automate some of the tasks. Okay, so assuming they like that and they want to proceed, so you see purchase, they say excellent choice, John. So you see the bot remembers my name. So choose the payment method for this. Currently, I only have M-Pesa, only accepting payments through M-Pesa for now. Okay, so the next process here is adding your number. So I'm just going to add as a dummy number. Okay, when you've added the number, the bot asks you like to confirm if this is your correct number. This is very important because it's about to store it in a database. This validation really helps because now like once you're proceeding, like on the data when capturing this lead, you are sure because errors happen. So that's important. So okay, so this is how to make the payment. So this is the number to send the money, and then it converts the $350 into Kenyan shillings, and then it shows you the name that will appear once you've made the payment. So there are two ways here. You can either decide to confirm payment now or pay later. So for this example, let's just say that you confirm the payment. Okay, it's going to check for the payment. Okay, then from there, thanks for making the payment. Dennis will reach out to you shortly, and then also provides you a number that you can instantly just call or whatever. Yeah, so let's see how that looks like in the back end. So it's connected to this table. So you see real time, this row was just included. So it's John Doe, and then the price paid, and then the number, and then success either yes or no. So the logic here is pretty straightforward. So yes, yeah. So two choices. So once you confirm or pay later, just setting the success to either yes or no, so that you can know the guys who confirm the payment and the people who chose to pay later. So if you already chose to pay later at this point, it's also going to be added in the database. So the difference will be this section. So if it's a no, we know that that you want to pay later. So what you can do, as a company, we can, since you already have the phone payment number, we can just reach out and remind you, yeah, either via text or call, and we can actually just capture more information from the from the customers. Just for this particular bot, I think the phone number is most important. Yep. So yeah, that's the back end, and then yeah. So it's fully built. It's built within Voiceflow. Yeah. So if you like this, or you want a version of this, or you want this specific template that I created for yourself, you can just reach out, and I'll definitely sort you out. So okay, so this is what I meant by, if it's an AI assistant, it's a get for free. So it confirms if it has your name. If it doesn't have your name, it will ask you for the name. Then you'll grab the name, and then assuming it has the name, it just proceeds. Excellent choice. And then so it asks you your business name from here. Okay. After the name, then once it has your name, then do you have a website for the business? I'd say that yes or no. So I did not close out the no. I mostly prefer to work with people who already have a website, since it's just easier. Yeah, but in an ideal case here, I'll just say no, and then show them the available uh, the what do you call it, these services, and then they could pick which website to purchase. But okay, currently I just fill this out. So okay, great, provide me with a valid number and email, and then we'll contact you shortly, so that will be added in the database. And then we also have some free stuff to share with them down there. So yeah, it's basically it. It's just an example. Yeah, real life. And then also what I wanted to mention is that the bot also has what we call intention, so it is able to determine your intent. Okay, like let's just test it out here and give you a demonstration of that. So currently have it can tell if you want, let's say, just say contact, knows that you want contact query. So let's say, for example, quit. So just say quit. It knows that you're done, and automatically just leads you to this workflow. Okay, so that's the contact. Services is where we have these services also. So yeah, so also if you the service as well, it will automatically knows like where to place you. Yeah, so that's it's pretty great. And this is the loop that I was till so this is a listening loop. So to to listen to your question, you could decide to ask a question, and based on the question you ask, if there are any intents that are triggered, you're taken automatically to that flow. So that's cool. Yeah, that's yeah, just keeping the person engaged and taking them to exactly where they need to, whatever they want to know. Yeah, okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next one.